He said his mask appeared to be some panties, right? Isn't that what they said? They just look like panties. His mask. Now, these ones I could not use for the mask because, well, they're clean. See, they're clean. Not acceptable for the mask. I am pending project intending to manufacture, fabricate even. Well, here's, hold on. We're gonna. These ones, I think, are yep, nope, too clean. Nope, too clean. I do, yes, These ones are perfect, and they are washed, yes, but you can tell they got, because you watched The Last Unicorn, and he's on the mantle. But was that a fireplace that he was on a mantle over? Because mantles are over fireplaces, right? 11568 Cranston Avenue. Fireplace with a mantle. That's where we hung the stockings with care. But yeah, soiled, stained even. Not scars, no scabs. It's just got the... And they are washed. They are clean. It just has the memory. The memory of happening. And so, yeah, just gonna have to get, because, you know, it's not gonna be tinted. Oh, no. But it's gonna be just like the peace delegates interrogation mirror. But you can see out, or I would see out, you couldn't see in, because the leg holes would host the reflective mirror glasses eye covers, and it's a whole head with actual right for the nose. So yeah, I would wear this mask after I fabricate, assembling the little pieces all together. Still have to figure out how in the heck am I going to manufacture the ojos. And they got to be able to compensate, because, yeah, 4 eyes, because I got the glasses, and that's actually 6 eyes, so with the mask, that'd be 8 eyes, and yeah, octopolar, psychoactive, because actually, realistically, totally, finality, reality, totality. Oh, infinity. polarity. Never inherently intended to be nada más than energy. Pero you're not supposed to not to flex the imagination and consideration in certain directions. Pero, ¿qué será? Será Hakuna Matata. Later.